everyone. I want you to use garlic spiritually. Don't be like other people that look down on garlic. They say, oh, garlic, how am I going to eat garlic? I don't like it. It doesn't smell good. It's okay if you're allergic to garlic, that's fair. But if you are okay, I want to recommend that you start using garlic because it's going to help you. Since I was very young, I knew and I learned that garlic can be used to chase away witches and wizards. You can use it to stop them permanently so that you can be free from their attacks. Another way to use garlic. Garlic is for protection. All you have to do is get some garlic, blend it and add it to your bathing water anytime you want to take your bath. Surely it will protect you from spiritual attacks. Another way to use garlic is garlic can help you remove bad luck and evil curses from your life. All you have to do is simple. You have to mix sea salt and some garlic together with your bath water, and you have to bath with it for 7 days. Okay? Another way that I know that you can use garlic is you can eat garlic. Just get some cloves of garlic and eat it. It can help you grow spiritually. Another way to use garlic, you can use garlic to attract good luck into your life. What you will do is very simple. You just have to mix, or you can pan some garlic and bay leaf together and boil it, for a few minutes and add it to your bath water. And you can even drink some little from it. This will help you attract good luck into your life. You can also use garlic to spoil any charm against your life. All you have to do is pan some garlic and mix it with sea salt and your early morning urine. Then make sure you sprinkle that mixture everywhere you suspect charm. It will definitely spoil the charm. It will destroy the charm. Another way to use garlic is when you bath with garlic every day. It can keep witches away from you, both during day and night, anytime, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. Okay? It's very powerful. Another way to use garlic. If you want to speak with any evil person, just eat garlic and meet with the person face to face, and nothing will happen. In fact, nobody born of a woman can harm you after eating garlic. Another way to use garlic is burn the back, this one of garlic once in a while. You can burn it on your stove, burn it on your gas burner, okay? And it will confuse your enemy. Another way to use garlic is when you keep garlic under your pillow at night, it chases away evil spirits and witches from pressing you at night. Garlic is very, very powerful spiritually. Please don't look down on it. Don't be like other people that always look down on garlic for anything. I've known garlic for a very long time and I use this personally and it works 100% for me. Okay? Garlic is for protection. Okay? It's for cleansing. It makes sure that you remain untouchable. Whether you're somebody that always wake up with bad dreams, you always wake up with nightmares, you sleep, or maybe at times you can't sleep, or you wake up frequently and when it is time for you to go back to sleep, you can't fall back to sleep. Always use garlic. All you have to do is just place garlic under your pillow, pray, make your intention, and sleep. You will sleep like a baby. You will even have sweet dreams. If you are somebody that your business has been failing every single time, you go to work from morning till night, but nothing works. You have no customers, you have no sales. Just get some garlic, blend it together, and use that to wash your floor. You can even add a little salt to it and use it to mop your floors. It will remove all the negative and bad energy in your shop, and that way it will draw customers to your business. It will draw sales to your business. If you are somebody, you are of marriageable age, meaning you are up to be married. It is time for you to be married, but then nobody is coming for you. Nobody is coming to ask you for marriage. Nobody is asking you for marriage. Or maybe you don't even have anybody that is approaching you for anything. Nobody is even talking to you. Or maybe they are talking to you, but they leave you faster than they know you. They meet you today, in the next few minutes, in the next few days, they're gone. They use you and they dump you. Use garlic. All you have to do is blend garlic, okay? Add some sea salt to it, mix it very well together, leave it for a few hours on your window, and be adding it to your bath water. Use it for like 7 days to take your bath while you are praying against marriage failure, relationship failure. Cast out everything that you don't need in your life and start asking things that you want to be married right now. You want your Mr. Right to come right now. You want your husband, your lover, somebody that will love you, okay, to come for you right now. And surely it will work for you, okay? You're somebody, you're always failing your exams every single time. It looks like you are not that intelligent. That's what people are saying to you anyways. But I tell you, you are intelligent. After this, you will be very intelligent. Get some garlic, okay? Blend it together. And always be drinking it every day. Blend it. If you can't eat it raw, blend it and be adding it to your water and be drinking it. Okay? While you make your intention. You can even use some of the water for your bath. Do it continuously like that. Okay? The only time you don't want to do this is if you are allergic to garlic. But if you are fine, there's no point, there's no reason for you not to use it. Go right ahead and do this and come back with your testimonies. Those are very powerful spiritual benefits of garlic for you. I want to believe that this video is helpful. If it is helpful, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. They will definitely help you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.